Mr. Hughes, these young people who enter the working world during the Andrew Holness LP administration, 2016 to now, they do not realize how fortunate they are. They did not have to go through the stress and trauma of every budget year. They pack up like hurricane coming and go home to watch or listen to see how much tax was going to be laid out on our backs. And then the thing about it, when the tax were being laid out, it come on with so much power. It's like the mics get louder. Each time, tax, this is going to be tax. Property transaction tax. Motor vehicle transaction tax. Telephone tax. Water tax. GCT increase. All these taxes. So you just go home and you're basically traumatized. No, I have peace of mind. I am 10 years younger than Miss Violet, just 10 years younger. I have peace of mind knowing that when a budget is coming up, I don't have to be wondering how much more I have to add on the pension to go and pay tax. So I think the older folks need to explain to the younger ones what used to happen, because when this administration came to power, some of them were probably just 12 or 15 or so on. They didn't experience these situations.
They don't know what we're talking about. That this is alien to them. Yes.
And now they're speaking about the thresh. They're looking year over year. They're hearing about give back, increasing threshold. They don't look at their pay slip and say,